In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a new CSR in cPanel and submit it in GoDaddy to Rekey and manage your SSL certificate. We'll go through this carefully from start to finish so the process feels simple and organized. The goal here is to create a fresh certificate signing request, often called a CSR, inside cPanel, and then paste that new CSR into your SSL certificate settings in GoDaddy. This is typically done when you need to reissue or rekey your certificate, and it's important to make sure the information is entered accurately so everything works correctly. To begin, log into cPanel and look for the SSL or security-related section. From there, click SSL/TLS, and then choose the option to generate a certificate signing request, or CSR. This is where you'll enter the required certificate details, fill out the requested information carefully, and make sure everything matches the domain and organization details you intend to use for the certificate. Accuracy matters here because the CSR is used to create the updated SSL certificate. Once you've completed the form, generate the CSR. After it appears, you'll see a block of encoded text. This is the CSR block you'll need in the next part of the process. Copy the entire CSR exactly as shown, including the beginning and ending lines of the block. Be careful not to leave out any characters or add extra spaces, since even a small mistake can cause the submission to fail. After copying the CSR, go to your GoDaddy account and open the My Products area. Find SSL certificates, then click Manage for the certificate you want to update. In the Management area, select Rekey and Manage. This option allows you to replace the existing request with the new CSR you just created in cPanel. Now paste the full CSR block into the appropriate field. Take a moment to double check that the text was pasted completely and correctly. When everything looks right, click Submit All Changes to send the new CSR for processing. At this point, GoDaddy will use the updated CSR to continue the rekeying process for your SSL certificate. If you're following along in real time, it's a good idea to review each screen before moving forward, especially when copying and pasting the CSR. That extra attention can help you avoid delays and make the update go more smoothly. And that's how to generate a CSR in cPanel and submit it in GoDaddy for SSL rekey and management.